Okay. So all we have to do, 6 times 5 is what? Sorry, 3 times 5 is 15. Plus 4 times 3 is 12, 12x. 4 times 1 is 4. And it's equals to 109. Okay? Okay? Okay. So on getting this, we collect like terms. 6x plus 4x is what? 6x plus 12x, sorry, I made a mistake, is 18x. 15 plus 4 is 19, and that's equals to 109. Okay? Do you understand what I'm doing? Huh? Okay, so if you have this, you can see we have 18x plus 19, take away 19, is 109 minus 19. Okay? Okay, so you have it as 18x is equals to 90, right? You divide by 18 and divide by 18. Once you divide by 18, x is equals to, what is 18 divided by 90? What is 18 divided by 90? What is 18 divided by 90? Do you know that? Okay, 18 divided by 90 is 5. Okay, 18 divided by 5, 90 is 5. Okay? Okay? Okay, write it. 18 divided by 90 is 5. Okay, good. So let's try another example. Let's try another example. So another example we'll be looking at is that we will look at 7x minus 15 is equals to 4 into x minus 3. Okay? 7x minus 15 is equal to 4 into this. So all we need to do is that 7x minus 15 should be equals to 4 times x is what? What is 4 times x? 4 times x is 4x. What is 4 times 3? 4 times 3 is what? What is 4 times 3? What is 4 times 3? 4 times 3 is 12. You have it as 12. So the next thing we do is to collect like terms. So we have it as 7x minus 15. You add 15 is equals to 4x minus 12. You add 15. Okay? Do you understand what I'm doing? Do you understand what I'm doing? Okay, you have it as 7x is equals to 4x minus 12 plus 15 is what? What is minus 12 plus 15? 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 Minus 12 plus 15 is 3 plus 3. So the next thing is to subtract 4x from both sides. And that will give you 7x minus 4x is equals to 4x plus 3 minus 4x. Okay? The reason why we're subtracting this from both sides is just to collect like terms. Okay? Okay? So if you have that, you have it as, what is 7x minus 4x? Yeah, currently now I only teach mathematics, okay? I want you guys to tell me the value for 7x minus 4, 7x minus 4x. Let's know that in the comment. Please do well to like the live, share the live, please. This will help me continue to see the motivation to continue. Okay, and that's what? 3x, okay? And that will be, you are left with just 3. So what do we do to get the value of x? We divide through by 3, okay? All we need to do is to divide through by 3. I will divide by 3 and divide by 3. If I divide by 3, x is equals to 1, okay? The reason why is 1 is that 3 divided by 3 is 1, okay? So this is the simple way to solve the equation. It's very simple. Hope you are writing it. Okay. Let's do this one again. We have 3 into 3x minus 1 is equals to 15 plus 3x. Okay. This one is also simple as usual. Our goal is to find the value of x that can satisfy the equation. Okay. Please, guys, please support me. Like, tell me where you are watching from. I'm actually in Nigeria. Tell me where you're watching from. I'm in Nigeria, Abuja. Let's know where you're watching from. Okay, do well to like the live, share the live, please. Okay, so here you have it to be 3 times 3x is 9x. 3 times minus 3 is minus 1. What is 3 times minus 1? What is 3 times minus 1? What is 3 times minus 1? Is minus 3. And that's 15 plus 3x, right? Okay, we'll collect like terms. So we'll have 9x. We subtract 3 from both sides. We add 3 from both sides. Minus 3 plus 3 is 15 plus 3x plus 3. Okay? We are left with 9x is equals to 15 plus 3 is what? What is 15 plus 3? What is 15 plus 3? What is 15 plus 3? Okay. 15 plus 3 is 18. You have it as 18 plus 3x. Okay. The next one is to collect like terms. 9x, you subtract 3 from both sides. Minus 3x is equals to 18. So 9x minus 3x is what? What is 9x minus 3x? What is 9x minus 3x? What is 9x minus 3x? You said? Okay, so you are left with 6x, and that's equals to 18. So we divide through by 6 and divide by 6. We divide by 6, x is equals to, what is 18 divided by 6? What is 18 divided by 6? Guys, what is 18 divided by 6? Okay, 3. That's the answer. So the answer to this is 3. Okay? Okay. Hope you are writing it. Should I clean it? Should I clean it? Okay. So the next question on the list is 2 into 5y minus 3 plus 8 is equals to 3y minus 5. Okay? Okay, here our goal here is to find the value of y. Our goal is to find the value of y. So to get the value of y, we first of all open the bracket. 2 times 5y and 2 times minus 3. So 2 times 5y is what? What is 2 times 5y? What is 2 times 5y? 2 times 5y is 10y. Then 2 times minus 3 is what? What is 2 times minus 3? It will be minus 6 plus 8 is 3y minus 5. Okay? So the next thing is to do minus 6 plus 8 is 2. So you have 10y plus 2 is 3y minus 5. What do we do next? We first of all collect the like terms for the ones that doesn't have a variable. So what do? We have 10y plus 2 take away 2 is equals to 3y minus 5 take away 2. Okay? Okay, the reason why we are doing this is to collect like terms. So we have 10y is equals to 3y. What is minus 5 minus 2? What is minus 5 minus 2? What is minus 5 minus 2? Okay, minus 5 minus 2 is minus 7, right? Okay, so you have it as 10y, then we'll minus 3y, and that will be left with minus 7, right? So 10y minus 3y is what? What is 10y minus 3y? What is 10y minus 3y? Okay, please tell me, Matter Precious, please tell me where you're having confusion so I can clear you. Tell me where you don't understand. Type it in the comment. Let me address it, okay? Tell me, please, so that before we move on. Okay, so 10y minus 3y is 7y, and that's minus 7, right? Okay, so what do you do? What do you do? All you need to do is to divide by 7, divide by 7. To divide by 7, you see that y is equals to minus 7 divided by 7 is what? Minus 7 divided by 7 is what? Minus 7 divided by 7 is what? Is what? Is minus 1. So the answer is minus 1, okay? Okay, guys. You guys say you didn't get it well. Okay, where I did, the reason why I took away 2. Okay, I'm trying to collect like terms. And for you to collect like terms, I added, this is, the initial question was 10y plus 2 is equals to 3y minus 5. So for me to collect like terms, Precious, all I did is to subtract 2 from both sides. So that 2, if you subtract 2 from both sides, so it made it, you see that 2 is in the other side and 2 is also in the other side. So when I subtracted 2 from both sides, 10y stands on its own. After standing, I will now have minus 5 minus 2. That gave me minus 7. So the next thing is to collect like terms. I subtracted 3 from both sides again, and that gave me 7y. So the other one is minus 7. We cancel that. That's how it's gotten. If you have any question, let me know in the comments. Have you copied it? You said? Okay, do you understand it very well? Okay, we keep on solving example till we become a guru in everything containing simple equation. Okay? Okay, Precious, you said yes. The yes you said, is it that you understand it? If you understand it, say, type yes again. If you don't understand it, say no. so that I know whether I will explain it more. Okay, let's try another problem together. Okay. Okay, let's try another problem together. Let's look at 4 into 5y plus 3 minus 5 into 3y plus 1 is equals to 27. So here we'll try to find the value of y. We'll try to find the value of y that will satisfy the equation. Okay? To find the value of y that satisfies the equation, it is very simple. First, we use 4 to open up the bracket. Okay? So you see that 4 will times 5y. 4 times 5y is what? 4 times 5y is what? 4 times 5y is what? What is 4 times 5y? Is 20y. Then 4 will times 3. What is 4 times 3? 12. Okay? Then we've opened the bracket. We do the same here. We use minus 5 to multiply everything inside. Okay? So minus 5 times 3, you have it as minus 15y. Minus 5 times 1 is minus 5. And that's 27. Okay? Do you understand up to this stage? Do you? Yeah, we'll collect like terms. 15y and 20y are the same. So we do 20y minus 15y. Okay? If you do 20 minus 15, you are getting 5y. You now do 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5, you get plus 7 equal to 27. Okay? So after this, the next thing you do here is just to do what? Subtract 7 from both sides. Or you say 7 crossing the equality sign. If you do that, you have 5y is equals to 27 minus 7. Okay? Okay, what is 27 minus 7? 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 27 minus 7 is 20. 5y is equals to 20. Okay? Okay. So since you have that 5y, this is 20. The next thing you do is to divide both sides by 5 and divide by 5. You divide by 5, y should be, what is 20 divided by 5? Okay? What is 20 divided by 5? Precious? What is 20 divided by 5? 20 divided by 5 is 4. So the value for the equation is 4. So the answer is what? 4. Okay? The answer is 4. Precious, thumbs up. You are doing very well. You are doing very well. You are doing very well. Hope you understand this one now. It's not becoming a problem again, right, Precious? Okay, thank you so much. Please, you can share the video and like the video to support me, please. We are just a small audience. We are still growing. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Okay. So let's take another example, okay? Okay. Okay, let's take another example. Let's look at 5 into 2x plus 3 plus 3 into 5x minus 2 is 84. Okay? This one is another problem we are going to solve with ease. Okay? It's very, very easy. It's very, very easy. Just apply the rules. So what do? You do 5 times 2x. What is 5 times 2x? 10x. You write it, 10x. Then again, you are opening the bracket, 5 times 3. What is 5 times 3? What is 5 times 3, guys? Huh? 5 times 3 is what? 15. You add 15. Then 3 times 5 is 15 plus. Huh? Pardon? Okay, no problem. Okay, guys, you can now see. Okay, you said 15. You are correct. Good. Shakran. Sorry, I can't pronounce well. Shakran. So it's very, very easy. So you do 5 times 2. You do 5 times. Then the next thing we do is to do 3 times minus 2. What is 3 times minus 2? What is 3 times minus 2? Guys, I want you guys to be compliant so that we can find the value and everybody will master it. What is 3 times minus 2? What is 3 times minus 2? What is 3 times minus 2? You have it as what? Minus 6. Correct. Good. And that's equals to 84. Guys, let's go again. Together, it won't be only me. Together, Shakran, thank you for saying minus 6. The next thing we do is to collect like terms. This is 10, this is 15. So what do we do in collecting like terms? We are adding the 2, Shakram, right? We are adding the 2. So what is 10x plus 15x? What is 10? Okay, thank you, Precious. What is 10x? Let's do this together. It won't be only me. I'll be pointing the others. You'll be telling me what I will do in the comments. Let's do it together so that everybody will master it. So what is 10x plus 15x? What is 10x plus? Okay, 25x, correct. Precious, I'm still waiting. Precious, what's keeping you? What's keeping you? What is this? Shakran says 25x. Good. I like that. Thumbs up. I like it. 25x. So we take 25x. You're right. 25x. Then we are going to number. This is 15 and 9, right? This is 15 and 9. So 15 minus 9 is what? 15 minus 6 is what? Let's know. Tell me what to do. 15 minus 6 is what? Chakram and Precious, I'm waiting. Okay. 15 minus 6 is what? What is 15 minus 6? 15 minus 6 is what? Is 9. Good. 9. And that's what? 84. Good. Let's move on together, okay? You're following, right? Okay. The next thing is to minus, or we say 9 crossing the equality sign. So we have 25x is equals to 84 minus 9. 25x is equals to, what is 84 minus 9? What is 84 minus 9? What is 84 minus 9? Okay, it was 9, it was 15 and 6, Precious. It was 15 and 6 because they are just numbers, not variable. And 15 is plus 15 and 6 is minus 6. So we do 15 minus 6. That gave us plus 9, okay? Okay, the answer is what? 75, right? The answer is 75. Okay, good. The next thing is to divide by what? 25 and divide by 25. If you cancel out, x is, what is 75 divided by 25, please? What is 75 divided by 25, please? Let me know. What's 75 divided by 25, please? What is 75 divided by 25? 75 divided by 25 is 3. Okay. So the answer is 3. Okay. Please, guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have a lot of words there. Please. So the answer is 3. Good, 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 good. So let's look at the next one. Okay. Let's look at the next one. Let's look at the next one. The next one is 3 into 6x minus 1 minus 7 into 2x plus 3 is 0. Okay? Okay? Okay, let's try this one together. Thank you so much. Thank you. Let's try this one together. What do? We open the bracket. Remember, I told you 2 of us will be doing it together. Okay? We'll be doing it together. Okay? So I'm going to ask you, you tell me what to fill in the box. So we go. 3 times 6x is what? What is 3 times 6x? Let me know. 3 times 6x is 18x. 3 times minus 1 is what? 3 times minus 1 is what? 3 times minus 1 is minus 3. Okay? Okay, good. Then let's go to the next one. Fast, 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 fast. Minus 7 times 2x is what? What is minus 7 times 2x? What is minus 7 times 2x? Okay, we have it as minus 14x. Then minus 7 times 3 is what? What is minus 7 times 3? What is minus 7 times 3? Okay, the answer is minus 21. Minus 21 is 0, right? Good. Let's collect like terms. We have 18x. We have minus 14x. So 18x minus 14x is what? What is 18x minus 14x? 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 Yeah, it becomes 4x. Good. You are complying. Very well. Then the next one is number. What is minus 23 minus 21? What is minus 23 minus 21? Let's know. What is minus 23 minus 21? Okay. Thank you, Meshalin, for saying 4x. I really appreciate it. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Okay. The answer is what? Minus 24. And that's 0. Okay. So the next thing is to what? Add 24 to both sides. So we have it as 4x is equals to 24. Because this is minus 24. If it goes to the equality sign, it becomes plus, right? Okay, good. So the next thing is to divide by 4, right? And divide by 4. So tell me, 24 divided by 4 is what? Let's know. 24 divided by 4, right? 24 divided by 4 is what? Hello, Akila. Hello, welcome. Please welcome. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like our video. Thank you so much for joining. Okay, the chess player. Thank you. My internet was poor, so it took everybody out, but I'm back. Okay, is what? By the way, let's answer. What's 24 minus 4? Okay, the answer is 24 minus 4 is 6, and that's the answer. So, okay, 24 divided by 4 is 6, and that's the answer. Clap for yourself, please. Clap for yourself, please. Okay, so that's the answer. Let's try another question together, okay? Okay. Let's try a simple one. 3 into 4x plus 5 is minus 3. Okay? Okay, this time I won't be opening brackets. I will just divide. Okay? Okay, a column perhaps. Thank you for joining. Please like the live, subscribe for more contents. Okay, so you see that first thing, I will open the bracket. I don't want to do that again. The reason why is that I have 3 here, I have 3 here, but this one is minus 3. So what do? I will divide the whole term by 3 and divide this side by 3. Okay? So if I divide by 3, I'm left with 4x plus 5, and that's equals to, the next thing I have to do is just to do what? Also divide there by 3, and that's minus 1, right? Do you get that right? Okay. Okay. Okay, so the next thing is to collect like terms. We have 4x. 5 will cross the equality. You have it to be equals to minus 1 minus 5. So we're having 4x is equals to, please, minus 1 minus 5 is what? What is minus 1 minus 5? What? Minus 1 minus 5 is what? What is minus 1 minus 5? Is what? Negative 6. Negative 6. Okay? So we divide by 4 and divide by 4. If you divide by 4, x is equals to negative. So 6 divided by 4 is what? What's 6 divided by 4? Put it in decimal. Good. What is 6 divided by 4? What is 6 divided by 4? In decimal. Six divided by 4, you said is what? 6 going into this is 1, remainder 2, and that's 1.5. Okay? How is what 5 is? When you have minus 6 over 4, first divide by 2, you have 3. By 2, you have 2. So you are dividing 3 and 3 over 2. If 2 goes to 3, you have 1, remaining 1. 2 cannot divide 1, so you add a decimal and add 0. 2 divide 10 is 5. You have 5. That's how it became 1.5. Okay? Ah? Okay, okay. Okay, thank you. Hi guys, how is the class going? Please rate it. Okay, I'm in Nigeria. I'm in Nigeria. I'm in Nigeria. How about you? Where are you? Where are you? Shakaram. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Please subscribe, like the live, share the live, please. Okay, I'm in Nigeria. Where are you? I'm in Nigeria. Okay. So here we are learning how to solve simple equation involving brackets. How to do that? It is very easy to do. Okay. So the next one we'll look at is another method to do that. And it's very easy, simple, and efficient. Okay. Okay. Okay, the next problem on our list is 4 into 3x minus 7 plus 3 into 5x plus 7 is equals to 56. Okay. Here we'll try to find the value of x. Okay. We'll try to find the value of x. So first thing we have to do to find the value of x is just to open up the bracket. Okay. So what do? 4 times 3x is what? Let's go together. Let's do this together, okay? Let's do this together, okay? Okay, let's do this together. 4 times 3x is what? Let me know. What is 4 times 3x? What is 4 times 3x? Yeah, it's basically 4 times 3. What is 4 times 3x? Let me know. Let me know. Okay, you have it as what? 12x. What is 4 times minus 7? What is 4 times minus 7? What is 4 times minus 7? 4 times minus 7 is minus 28. Then what is 3 times 5? What is 3 times 5? 3 times 5 is what? 15. Hi guys, please, you guys are not commenting. Please follow me. Let's open the bracket one after the other, okay? Once I tell you guys to multiply and drop the answer in the comments, please. Okay, so what do we do? 3 times 5 is plus 15x. Then let's do 3 times 7. What is 3 times 7? What is 3 times 7? 3 times 7 is what? 21. So half plus 21 is equals to 56, right? So we do 12x plus 15x is 25x. Minus 28 minus plus 21 is what? Plus, what's minus 28 plus 21? Let me know. What is minus 28 plus 21? It is what? Minus 7 is 56. Okay? Okay, you have 25x is equals to 56. Minus 7 is crossing the equality. So add plus 7. And that's 25x is equals to 57 plus 56 plus 7 is 63. You have 63. Okay? So the next thing we do is to divide the left and the right side. Divide by 25, divide by 25. To divide, x is equals to 63 over 25. Okay? So write it, write it. Do you have any question? Let me know. Do you have any question? Let me know. Ah? I can't hear you said. Okay, so this is how we solve simple equations that involves bracket, okay? So remember, first thing we do in solving this type of problem is to do what? Open up the bracket, right? Okay, if you open the brackets, the bracket will be open. Then the next thing you have to do there, after opening up the brackets, the next thing you do is to what? Collect like terms, bring the variables together. Okay, after bringing the variables together, the next thing you do is to do what? Is to collect like terms. Okay, after the collection of like terms, the next thing is to divide by the coefficient of x if there is any. Remember, the first one we started with is simple. It was let's say we have 2x plus 7 is equals to 29. Okay, this is the first question we started with. We started with this on how to solve simple equation. Okay, so this is 2x plus 7, take away 7 is 29, take away 7. Okay? Okay, and that will give you 2x is equals to 29, take away 7 is what? What is 29 minus 7? What is 29 minus 7? It is 22. Okay? Okay. You divide by 2 and divide by 2. If you do the division, x will only be 11 because 22 divided by 2 is 11. Okay? Okay, do you have any question on what you've done? Okay, so this is how we solve simple equations. Okay, it's very, very easy so far. We know the strategy. Okay? Yeah, strategy on how to get a better result. Let's look at this again. We have 4x plus 6 is equals to 30. Okay? Yeah, in this one, we will try to find the value for x. And to do that, it's very, very simple. You have 4x plus 6, take away 6, is 30, take away 6. Okay? So if you do this, you have it as 4x is equals to, please, what is 30 minus 6? What is 30 minus 6, please? What is 30 minus 6? 30 minus 6 is 24. Then we divide through by 4 and divide by 4. 4, you have it that x is equals to, what is 24 divided by 4, please? What is 24 divided by 4, please? What is 24 divided by 4, please? If you divide 24 by 4, what do you get? So that we can write the final answer. Okay, 24 divided by 4 is 6. And that's the what? Answer. Okay? Okay, good. So let's look at another one. The next one on our list is 7x plus 5 is equals to 26. Okay? Yeah, here we'll try to find the value of x. So for us to do that, we have 7x plus 5, take away 5 is 26, take away 5. That gives 7x is, what is 26 take away 5? What is 26 minus 5? What is 26 minus 5? 26 minus 5 is 21. So divide by 7, divide by 7. We divide by 7, x is equals to, what is 21 divided by 7? What is 21 divided by 7? What's 21 divided by 7? 21 divided by 7 is 3. Okay? Okay? So any question on what we've done? Okay. Do you understand what we just did? Okay. Okay. So call the next person. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. We just concluded solving simple equations. Okay. Yeah. I want to know the topics you want us to go live on and teach. I just finished doing simple equations now. Yeah, I'm waiting for the next person to join so that we can know the next topic we look at. Thank you so much, Hospital. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you for being here. I want to know the topics you guys want us to do next time when I go live. Yeah. Let me know the topics you're struggling with. Let me know the zone. We've learned how to do simple equations, both the one that involves brackets, the one that doesn't involve bracket. We've solved a lot of problems. So I want us to suggest the topic that is needed. Let's know down in the comments. Hello, how are you? Okay, turn on the camera. Turn on the camera. So where do we stop? Okay, that's all right. So hope you can see the board. Okay, now let's move into subtraction of fractions. Okay. 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 Let's go through subtraction of fractions. This one is easy and it is subtraction of fraction. Okay. So in subtraction of fractions, it's very, very easy. First, we look at when the fraction has the same denominator and when the fraction doesn't have the same denominator. Okay? Solving fractions that have the same denominator, all you need to do is to subtract the numerator. Let's take, for instance, 6 over 7 minus 2 over 7. You understand that these two fractions have the same denominator of 7. So what do? It's very simple. You subtract the numerators. 6 minus 2 over 7. And that will give you 4 over 7. Okay? Good. We have 11 over 13 minus 8 over 13. Okay? In subtraction of fractions, all you need to do is just to subtract the fraction. Is just to subtract. And you notice that the denominators are the same. All you have to do is just to subtract the numerator. Thank you. So what do? You have 11 minus 8 over 13. 11 minus 8 is 3. You have it as 3 over 13. Okay? Okay. So let's look at this. 12 over 17 minus 5 over 17. Okay, you understand? This is another case. We have the denominator to be the same. So here we'll try to subtract. Okay? So for us to subtract, you have the same denominator. Keep it the same. So we do 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5. What is 12 minus 5, please? What is 12 minus 5? Let me know. What is, okay, you have it as 7. Correct. So the answer is 7 over 17. Okay? So write it and let me know. Okay? Okay, guys, do you like the new topic I started over now? If you like it, let me see a thumbs up. If you don't like it, let me see a thumbs down. Let's know. Okay, let's know whether we're going to change the topic or we're going to start something new. Okay? Okay, I'm in Nigeria. What of you? I'm living in Nigeria. The live video is I'm streaming from Nigeria. Which part of country are you? Okay, you like the topic? Thank you so much. Which part of the country are you? Of the country of the world are you? Where are you watching from? Let me know. Good. Okay, you're from India. Okay, that's good. It's nice to have you here. It's nice to have you. So we are trying to learn how to subtract fractions. We are trying to learn how to subtract fractions. Okay. To subtract fractions. So how's it going in India? How's it going in India? How's life in India? Like, how's it in India? So here we are learning how to subtract fractions of the same denominator. Remember, if you have different denominator, it's a different ball game. Or here we're looking at subtracting fraction of the same denominator. Okay. So guys, let me go and have my food. See you guys next time.